Hi, today I'm going to be doing a firework demonstration called Global Lights. I don't know exactly what happens with this one as compared to some of the other ones that I've done. So I'm going to light it up and let's see what kind of a fireworks fountain demonstration this can put off. Very, very cool. A lot of nice bright lights. I can only imagine what it would look like at night. Okay. Well, that was really cool. I like the brightness of the lights. And you know, it didn't have any crackle to it, which is okay. But the brightness of the lights that it shot out were fantastic. So I would highly recommend this one, especially if you don't want the loud crackling in your neighborhood. This one gives you the spectacular fireworks effect without all the loud noise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.